afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1775th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni, and of course that would be me. Traders, the 1775th edition of these educational videos coming at you on a Monday night for trading Tuesday, May 15th, 2018. If you don't know this, you absolutely should know, so get ready. Futures trading is extremely risky. Did you know that? How many of you knew that? It causes substantial financial loss, is not suitable for all traders. Today we had a terrible day. Well, I shouldn't say terrible. We had a losing day today in the trades that we did. We did great in gold. We did all right in the S&P. We didn't do so well in the Russell, and we lost in soybeans. So today created loss. I mean, we had a fantastic run for 5 or 6 days leading up till today. So a donation day is no big deal, but losing day on Monday. But hey, we're going to look right past that, and here's what we're going to look at next. So remember, this is a risky game. Put your stops in. Put them in first. Never trade alone. Don't trade alone. Come on down to livewithoscar.com and join me in my free trading room. I'm there. Microphone camera is on from my end. You can see me, you can hear me, and I help you stay calm. And we sort of educate one another through these rough and tumble markets. Let's move forward. What is going on for 0515? Well, we're going to start off with a red Omni to start the session. It could turn out to be green by the end of the day. We plan on hitting, selling, watching it drop, getting out, and sidestepping this bad boy. That's the plan for Tuesday. Repetitive pattern in the ES? I got to show you something that I think is, and we are going to call for a short the market, watch it drop, get out of the way, and see what happens for trading on Tuesday. Gold, different story, but same sort of direction. Bear flag in gold remains intact, and the hunt is on, baby. We have been selling gold successfully day after day. The only day we didn't sell it was the day it went up to the top of the flag. We stayed out. So far, so good. That was a good call. And selling gold almost every day has been helpful. Crude and the three little flags. Very nice chart I want to show you there. Traders, I'm not going to spend a lot of time speaking. I'll get right to the charts. Remember, one Omni camp is left for this year. The fall class 2018 should happen in September. If you'd like to be part of an Omni camp, that's 4 days in Las Vegas with me teaching you the Omni, which is the art of Oscar's market navigational indicator. I will teach you how the Omni works and how to call these trades for yourselves. If you'd like to be at this seminar this September, you've got to fill out your applications. Fill them out now, livewithoscar.com. Click the Omni Camp application banner and fill them out. With no further ado, let's go look at some charts. Okay, traders, the first chart I want to show you this evening is the emini S&P daily bar. Is there a repetitive pattern? Well, this looks very much like that. We popped out of the bear flag, which is this thing right here. Popped out of it for a day, came right back down, so it went up. Next day, put in a day where it went up a little higher, dropped, and the third day, she came smashing back down. We've got the first bar up, the second one rallied, turned around and came down to the lows at the end of the day. And the third day should bring us back down into this flag. Now, that's what I'm expecting to happen. We're going to be very quick about this, very nimble, getting short up here, let it drop, get out, and sidestep this and see where it wants to go. Let me blow this picture up for you. This is why I think we have a repetitive pattern here. You see how the S&P got up out of the flag, but the next day it went up higher than the day before's high, turned around and dropped to the lows. Then it went down. Well, we went up. This went up higher than the day before's high, turned around and dropped and settled towards the lows of the day. I think the next day could be down. Now, is there any other proof? Well, this can back that up, right? If you ask me, this backs it up. That theory works out well. 1, 2, 3. Very likely what's considered a triple top in your Russell 2000. Now, I don't expect that triple tops actually top out a market, but a pullback is customary after you get to that triple top before a breakout, and that's what I'm expecting as well. So we will be nimble, but we will sell the rallies in E-mini, S&P, NASDAQ, and or Russell if we get the opportunity to start the day off. Now, Could we turn around and rally out of this? Yes, we could. That's why we're going to be very nimble. We're starting the day with the red Omni, and we'll see where it ends up. We won't be part of the market by the time it gets there. Then you've got gold. Look at this wonderful bear flag in gold. I've been hunting this down for days with you guys, telling you that we're in a bear flag. When we got here, I warned you off and said, do not buy this. We do not buy the top of a bear flag. We expect it to move lower, and the next day it did move lower. And this sort of very reminiscent of what I just showed you in the emini S&P. You get out over the flag a little bit, you don't get any carry through and back in. So maybe that's going to happen as well. It already happened in the gold, as you can see here, and we're expecting at least to come down here, if not break that flag for trading on Tuesday. Then you've got crude oil and the three little flags. Bull flag 1, breakout. Bull flag 2, breakout. Baby bull flag building, but sometimes they happen right away. So I think you're building another flag, and I would like to be a buyer of dips in the crude into that flag. Traders, these are the charts that interest me for trading on Tuesday. Come on down to livewithoscar.com. Join me in my live trading room, and I'll discuss more about gold, crude, and the other markets. Okay, traders, you've seen the chart. You've got my technical reasoning why we're just starting off the day with the red Omni. We're going to try to take our profits, get out of the market's way. You've seen the repetitive pattern, which gives me right to want to do that, and the triple top most likely in the Russell. Gold and that bear flag, the hunt is on, baby, and that hunt isn't going away. Crude and the three little flags, we'll discuss that if I see you in the chat room. Traders, the most important part of this night so far for me has been this. Go, Knights, go! Go, Knights, go! Did anybody see the game? Yeah, baby, the Knights. You don't mess around with our Knights. You might get a game out of them, but not much more than that. Go, Vegas Knights. Can't wait to see the games when I get back. Now, I actually had a ticket for Wednesday night's game. It was in my hands. I had the ticket. I paid for it. And then I got a phone call from one of my friends in Utah, business associate. And as it turns out, I'll be on a plane tomorrow morning, and I will miss Wednesday's game. This towel's going to come in use finally. So, but maybe I'll be able to go to Friday's game. I'll see you cats from Utah. The show goes on. You know me. I'll just be working from a different location. I will see you from there. Remember, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do, in my opinion, to help keep those emotions at bay is place your darn stops and put them in first. That helps a lot. Barring that, say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, Metascock, stop round. I will see you traders very shortly in Utah. Can't wait. Thank you for the invitation. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.